Hey, if you're watching this right now, you might be checking out the Lit.it app and maybe you're wondering, is this legit or is this a big fake, okay? Can you really make money by just watching videos and sharing videos? Let's check it all out. Anytime if you want to get my favorite way to get to $5,000 to $10,000 a month, 100% from home, just click the link below and I'll share with you my favorite strategy. Now, on this channel, I have reviewed literally hundreds and hundreds of different ways to make money online. I've seen the good, the bad, and the ugly. So let's find out if Lit.it is a good way to make money or is it a big waste of time, right? Now, Lit.it is a pretty new social app. It's kind of like TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube, but it allows you to earn a little bit of money in basically tokens called Lit.it tokens, right? And then you can convert that into cash and do different things with it on the platform itself. So pretty cool, right? But the big question is does it really work? How much can you really earn? And is it really that simple to earn money on here, right? Now, the nice thing is that it's available on the Google Play Store and also on the Apple App Store, right? Available for download. It's pretty much available in most countries around the world, right? Some countries it's still building because it's pretty new. But the way it works is kind of like this, right? There's a few different ways that you can earn, okay? So the first way is you can come on here and you can basically watch videos. So you can watch videos, you can share videos, and you can also post your own videos. They want people to come on here to create video content. Now, the more that you interact with a video, the more that you watch a video, the more lit points that you earn, all right? Now, the whole idea of this app is to reward the user base for using the application. So the more time you spend on it, the more videos you watch, the more ads you watch, the more ads you click on, the more you share, the more you engage, the more lit points that you will earn, right? Now, they say on average you will earn between 1 and 5 lit points per minute that you actually watch a video and you interact and things like that. But that number changes and it's not super specific, okay? Another thing that you can do is you can also fill out surveys, which is kind of weird, right? Because it's it's supposed to be a social media platform, but they're kind of like merging it into sort of a GPT kind of platform where you can do different things. Now, the only thing I would say is that there are other GPT platforms that are focused mainly on surveys and other GPT tasks that I think pay a lot better than Lit. So again, even though it's offered here, I don't think it's a great way to actually earn money on Lit.it. All right. So a few different things that you can do here is it says that you never spend money, you never lose money, you always earn, right? But how much can you really earn from this? We're going to check this out in a second here. Okay. Now, here's the thing, right? After you earn points on this particular app, you don't actually make money directly from the app. The way it works is it's actually a NFT kind of cryptocurrency token, right? So the Lit.it token is linked to the Lit points. So what happens is you create these Lit points, and after a period of time, you can convert your Lit points into Lit.it tokens, all right? Now, here's a big problem. The conversion ratio isn't fixed and they don't tell you exactly what it is. And that is the problem, all right? So you might have 10,000 lit points, but that might only be worth 1 token. You don't know, okay? Sometimes on these types of apps, it might be 100,000 tokens, 100,000 points before it's equal to 1 token, which is actually really little, right? So unfortunately, even though you may be spending time on this app, and you're racking up all these lit tokens, you don't know how much Lit.it tokens it's actually worth, all right? The other problem is that because this is a crypto type of project, right? A lot of these, some of them will do well, some of them, won't do well. And so you don't really know the value of the token. Some of these tokens sometimes could be, less than $1. Sometimes they're only worth a couple of cents, right? So even if you convert it to Lit.it tokens, if this particular crypto project isn't doing very well, then it might not be worth very much at all. So now you've spent all this time on this platform, you've shared, you've liked, you've watched ads, you've watched videos, but you're not really making that much money, right? So you're investing a lot of time, but in the end, you're not really making that much money. And sometimes these projects don't go well and they might even shut down. It's very, very common, all right? Now, that doesn't mean that it couldn't do well. There is a small chance that Lit.it might do well, right? So it depends on, how you feel about this particular crypto project. Do you think it's a good app? Do you think that it will stand the test of time, right? And only time will tell. You really will have no idea on how much money you can make on this website or not, right? But let me just say that I have reviewed hundreds of different strategies online, and a lot of the ones that work like this, where you watch videos, where you fill in surveys, and you watch ads and things like that, generally speaking, just to give you a ballpark number, right? if you spend 2 to 3 hours on a website like that, and there's some really good GPT websites out there, right? Like Free Cash, like Inbox Dollars, like Prize Rebel, for example. On those types of platforms, if you spend 2 to 3 hours on them, you can earn about $1 to $2 for that time. All right. Now, I'm very sure that with Lit.it, it will be around the same. The only thing here, or probably less, okay? The only difference here is that they're connected to a real crypto token, right? So potentially, if the cryptocurrency does well and they do a really good job as a company, people are trading it on the open market, your Lit.it tokens that you convert from Lit points might be worth more over a period of time, but it's very, very risky. All right, it's just one of those things where you don't know. It might do okay, it might do terribly, right? So again, remember, you are investing your time in an application that you don't know whether it's going to do well. You don't get paid that much for the amount of time that you're spending on it by uploading videos and creating content and things like that. And the other problem is you don't know what the conversion rate is from Lit points to Lit.it tokens. So there are a lot of question marks here. Yes, potentially, if you're willing to take on the risk, you might be able to do well over a period of time. Some of the major complaints though on this particular app is that there's still a lot of bugs. Sometimes it doesn't work. You see a lot of ads, and that's pretty normal with new applications. So only you can decide whether or not this is a good way and a good use of your time. I think there are better ways to make money online out there. I think it's pretty cool, potentially this crypto project could do well over a period of time, right? And you may be in the right place at the right time. But if you're here to make money, if you're like, you want to spend 2 hours, 3 hours, and you want to guarantee or generate a lot more income, I think something like this is going to generate you very, very small amounts of money. And there are just a lot of question marks on how much money you can really earn. And it's not a big amount, okay? So if I were you, again, and knowing what I know because I've reviewed so many different ways to make money on this channel, I probably wouldn't waste so much time with this, but it doesn't mean that this won't potentially be a good project in the long term. It may, right? It's just a risk that you're going to have to be willing to take. And, again, you're going to have to invest a bit of time to do that. Okay. But if you want to check it out, you can download it from the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Just look for Lit.it and you can check that out. All right. Now, if you're here watching this video and you're looking for a way to generate big income, right? Again, I've seen the good, the bad, and the ugly. I've invested a lot of time, a lot of money into a lot of different projects. And out of all of them, there was one that completely changed my life. It took me from a full-time employee to a full-time business owner, earning multiple 5 figures every single month. I used this strategy to retire my mom, and it was literally just from reviewing different things online and then finding out that this is the thing that could completely change my life, right? If you want to check it out, I think this is great for beginners. Anyone that wants to earn big income, full-time income online, change their life, create more freedom. If you want to check it out, I've got a free step-by-step masterclass, and you just have to click the link all the way at the bottom to access that for free if you want to check it out, okay? I wish you all the best. I hope you enjoyed this review of Lit.it. All the best to you, and I'll see you on another video review. Take care.